Hello everyone, it's the middle of winter, but I still wanted to do some work on my OBS GMC truck. So the air cleaner doesn't look that good anymore, so I'm gonna work on that. I've got some decals to put on also. The first thing I'm going to do is put some paint remover, stripper as it's called. That and some steel wool should clean it up pretty good. We'll see where I end up, and then I'll decide if I want to use sandpaper and do something more drastic. But this is a good place to start, just to clean it up. Well, that seems to be working. I'm gonna give it time to do its thing. There's a lot of surface rust on there. That's not really much of a surprise. But I'm gonna bring the steel wool in, and then we'll see what we got. There's way too much rust on this. I'm gonna have to do some sanding. After the sandpaper, it looks like this. Now this won't make a show car. I'm gonna do like a quick job actually. I'm just gonna do 2 coats of primer and then 2 coats of black. And that's gonna be good enough for what I need. So when you paint, you just want to mist it over. You do not want to go heavy. But eventually your color will build up. Now I'm going to start painting my black. So what you want is really thin coats. That will give you the best results. So you start with very thin coats, droplets. And then at one point, the droplets will just touch each other. So as the drops touch each other, you will see it change and become very shiny. And once you get to that, all you do at that point, once you get to all the droplets turning shiny, then you stop. And here's the number 1 tip. Once you got it to where it looks shiny, leave it alone. Let it dry for 2-3 days. Alright, so I gave it plenty of time to dry. I also ordered some nice decals from an eBay seller called Alpine Signs. So that's gonna really help the looks of this. Also, you can he can custom make for you any cubic inches or any horsepower you want. So I'm gonna apply these now. I put always a little bit of soapy water. That way if I mess up, I have a chance to take it back. Obviously, that's not what a 92 OBS GMC air cleaner lid is supposed to look like. But I am nostalgic of the late 60s muscle car stuff. So that looks real good to me. I'm really gonna enjoy driving this truck around. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.